Welcome back to another episode of See Slurp's Professional Fridays. I am so excited to be making some traditional Filipino food today. I am going to be making PANCIT LUGLUG. So I'm born in Canada. I'm not born in the Philippines. Sorry if my pronunciation sucks. But PANCIT LUGLUG is a Kapampangan region dish in the Philippines. It is a noodle dish made out of cornstarch noodles, so it's like nice and bouncy, doesn't ever get soggy. And we've got this wonderful shrimp and pork-based gravy that is super savory, very addictive and very delicious. Sauce that goes all over the top of the noodles and topped with crunchy chicharron, fried garlic. We got some smoked mackerel that's been flaked on there called tinapa. We also have hard-boiled eggs. And what else do we have there? Slices of lemon. We also have a bit of scallions on there, and of course, crunchy and bouncy shrimp. It is actually surprisingly really easy to make, and it's my first time making it. I'm super excited to get in touch with my roots, so enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, we've got our ingredients here, minus a couple of the toppings. Oops! We got our ground pork, we've got our tinapa, which is our smoked mackerel, scallions, a couple small onions. We've got about 8 cloves of garlic. We've got crunchy chicharron, garlic flavor, my personal favorite. We've got some cornstarch noodles. We're going to use a whole pack. That's 454 grams. My special ingredient here, which is a Vietnamese fine shrimp paste, fish sauce, and annatto powder, which will give us a nice red color, and spot prawn stock, which is homemade, or you could use shrimp stock. We're going to begin by soaking our noodles while we prep everything else. And then we're going to just nicely dice up these onions, which is going to be the base of our sauce. We're going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil into a pan over medium-high heat and add in all of our onions, just like so. Give that a bit of a saute and let that kind of cook for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to chop up and mince our garlic and then add all of the pork, about 1 pound there of ground pork, over to our pan, as well as the garlic. We're going to start by breaking up the chunks of pork here and letting that brown nicely, letting that cook. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of annatto powder, and we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. I'm going to be adding more later, but you can't see in the video. And we're going to add 1 cup of water. We're going to mix it up all together till it's nice, bright and orange. And then back to our pot here, add our shrimp stock here. That's about 3.5 cups of homemade shrimp stock. Our secret ingredient there, which is a shrimp paste that will really boost the shrimp flavor there. And then adding our cornstarch mixture as well as the annatto seed powder there. So yeah, a lot of people use like shrimp bouillon powder. Don't need to do that here. Add your fish sauce and let that cook to taste. I add a pinch of salt and a bit of ground pepper and letting that thicken up. These are our toppings. We're going to crush up our chicharron. We're going to slice up some scallions and then begin boiling our soaked noodles and cooking that for 10 minutes until cooked and loosened. See, this is what it looks like, nice and bouncy, chewy and delicious. We're gonna go ahead and drain all those noodles there and then put your sauce and your toppings all on top. Oh my God, deliciousness. Add some crunchy fried garlic and hard-boiled eggs and cooked shrimp. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!